Welcome to AICare tutorial series. In this tutorial, let's look at how to administrate buildings. As a system administrator, you can add a building, edit a building, or delete a building. To add a building, first navigate to the enterprise level, and then the venue level. You can click the Add Building button to create a new building. Enter the details of the building and click the Add button to save the changes. Once building is added, it is automatically displayed in the tree. You can click the Edit Building button to edit the details of the building. Click the Edit button to commit the changes. If you add a building by accident, you can always delete it by clicking the Delete button. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. Click the Confirm Delete button to delete the building. This concludes the administrating building tutorial. Thank you for watching.